Hey guys, it's mcfixit here. We have this automatic water dispenser from Vinmen, and it allows you to pump from 3 gallon, 5 gallon, 4 gallon, whatever really size you have that is the bigger ones, and will automatically dispense the water instead of buying one of the big, huge dispensers. So we're going to test it out today and see what we think. Let's go ahead and unbox it. That has some plastic wrap we'll have to get off. And then we'll go ahead and open up the box. I did purchase the black one, as you can see here. And inside comes with the dispenser, a cord, which is USB to, I think that's a USB B, I think. I can't ever remember them. So it's the smaller one. It's not a USB-C, other than this is our hose. So the instruction manual is pretty simple. You're going to want to make sure that you follow the entire thing and you read all of your instructions before using the device. So it does come with a USB, but you will need your own brick. So we'll go ahead and show you how to charge it. Let's put that in there. Put it into your power. And then go ahead and stick this in. And you can see it's kind of dim here, but as long as that thing is red, it is still in the charging. So it does allow you to fill many gallons up. It says it lasts for about 50 to 60 days and fills up about 4 to 6 5-gallon bottles of water with whatever you want to pump it into. So that's pretty awesome if that is how this thing works. So we will definitely be testing it over the next couple of weeks and check out how well it works. So we're going to go and wait till that is fully charged. So we are back now after that is charged. We'll go ahead and unplug that. We'll scoot that out of the way. We'll go ahead and grab our hose. And so here is the hose right here. And all this is made out of ABS material. It's BPA-free, so it is supposed to be non-toxic and odorless. And then we'll go ahead and plug this side in here. And I'm pushing in kind of firm to make sure it doesn't fall out. You do want this side that has this to go down into the bottom of the water. And then now we're going to go ahead and test to see what this looks like in a 5-gallon and 4-gallon water bottle. So the first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and kind of see what the length is going to be. And that will be long enough. So we'll go ahead and slide it down. This is the 5-gallon, and it just slides right on top of it. There is no water in these. I am going to test them out, but I wanted to make sure it kind of had a pretty secure fit. It's not fantastic. It does have some wiggle in there. Let's go ahead and check the 4-gallon. That one kind of fits, well, about the same. It does have some wiggle on it, so it doesn't fit super snug. I don't necessarily love that. I'm going to test one other thing. So I have these caps. I'm going to go ahead and put these back on and see if maybe with the cap on it might actually be better. I don't know. We're going to test it. Yeah, that's actually better. Much more secure on there. And so the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and test to see how it pumps out water. So we have that 4-gallon jug. We're going to go ahead and push the top down in. This one is filled all the way up. So we'll go ahead and set that down all the way in there. So this thing works by simply just pressing the button on the top of it. So I'm going to go ahead and start our timer and hit the button. This is 24 ounces that it is filling up. And that is coming out pretty fast. So we're at 18 seconds, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. I'm going to say 27 seconds to fill up a full 24-ounce cup. That is relatively quick for how small this thing is, so it does a really good job of pulling the water up. So now we have a Primo. This has to be plugged into the wall at all times, and we're going to see how long it takes to fill up. So we're going to go ahead and start it, and then select the cold and see if it takes 27 seconds or less. So it looks like 24 seconds will get us right where we needed to be to fill up the 24 ounces. So it is about 3 seconds quicker with this big machine versus just that little portable one that goes on top. So here are my final thoughts on this product. I actually really liked it. This thing was about $15 and it pumped just a little slower than my full-size Primo, which costs about $180. This thing is pretty small and fits pretty much any kind of jug, except it does have some wiggle room. So there are different caps you can put on your device. So what I would prefer to do is get some kind of like reusable cap like this, because it allows you to push in and slide down. And then this fits in here really well and allows it to be more full. Now, when it's just the cap itself, or just the bottle itself without a cap, it does wiggle around a lot, but it's a super simple. I mean, you just literally press it and it starts, and then you press it again and it stops. It does seem relatively quiet. I do think my Primo is more quiet than this, but again, for the price difference, this is incredible. And it fits lots of different size, and it's just that simple. Press on to start it. I hope you guys liked my review on this. If you do have any questions, make sure to put them down in the comment section down below. Always make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to MC Fix It yet, please do so. It really does help my channel grow. Thank you guys so much for watching.